Hello everyone. The first part is to introduce some basic information about alignment design. First, let's see the tasks of alignment design. The main works of alignment design include determining the main technical standards of a railway, such as the maximum gradients, the minimum circular grooves, minimum radius of circular grooves, and then select the suitable railway corridors between two fixed endpoints. And afterwards, we can design the detailed three-dimensional railway location, including the geometric configurations and the construction locations in the corridor. And finally, is to adjust the structures along the railway. The structures here include the cut and fill sections, bridges, and tunnels. In this picture, two railways has shown. The first, Plan A, is a high-speed railway, so the alignment is short as short as possible to ensure that the train can run very fast. And here the blue line, Plan B. The design speed of this railway is much lower than the alignment A. Thus, the alignment is fairly circuitous, and to bypass some geologic hazards, and here to cross existing rivers. The railway alignment design is the central work of railway design and construction. It is very important for the railway construction operation